But first, when a Chicago artist decided to strengthen his craft creating sculptures, he took on an unlikely job to help him refine the lines. Now, nearly a decade later, he's using the skills he picked up as a mill worker to create custom wooden furniture. Arts correspondent Angel Idowu takes us to his Bucktown shop to see how he brings his pieces to life.
It was shortly after the pandemic hit that woodworker Keith Skogstrom found himself nearly overwhelmed with orders for custom wooden furniture.
For a lot of people at home, that's what happened. They were at their dining room table more because they were working from home, and all of a sudden they noticed the legs loose. And it's like, well, forget this, let's get a new table.
With orders up nearly 400%, the growth Skogstrom saw in his company, Geodesic Designs, really gave him a chance to flex his artistic muscles professionally.
When you start the creative process, when
Sure.
a client reaches out to you, what is the first step?
So we call it like a chat. When we go out and do a site survey, we'll go out and it'll be as informal as just some notes, jotting down some basic details.
Because every commissioned piece is customized, the number of hours it takes to complete along with the cost vary. He showed me a little bit of the process.
When we did Violet Hour, we come to it with the same processes. We have to give a design intent. So we go and we have a basic meeting with the client. So we present this to the client. They say, sure, you can do that. And then we will manifest it, I guess is the word for it. We'll create it out of nothing.
To life.
Yes, yeah, exactly. So these are installations that were at Violet Hour. It's Sharpie on plywood panel, and then we sand it.
And while this may sound simple, it's important to remember that wood comes in all shapes, shades, and sizes.
But it comes in, it looks like this. So this is what we buy. These are sheet goods. This is what we bring in. We have like a template that we work through, but we also have to respond to the wood, and that is such an indicative aspect of woodworking, right? You bring in 10% more because you know you're gonna have to pick and choose what you want.
Skogstrom says woodworking requires a specific and intentional process, and that's why he doesn't necessarily see his practice to be an art form, because to him, art has no limitations.
I've always bounced back and forth because what I worry about is running up against the creative project that I don't have the technical skill to pull off. So with the pieces that I do, each time that I learn a new woodworking set of skills, my artwork gets more nuanced and that much better, I think. I like it to be impressive and look difficult to make. So for me, that's where the artworking, woodworking kind of overlap.
As Skogstrom looks ahead at expanding his business in Team of 4 as he moves out of the pandemic boom, he's purchased a new machine to take his work to the next level.
It planes wood to a thinner size, but it also pulls it in and pushes it out. It's a new planer. I'm pretty excited about it. Man, they don't make it easy on you. Don't know what this is. Geeking out is probably the word. Don't know what that is. I feel like a newborn parent. That's it.
For Chicago Tonight, I'm Angel Idowu.
And Skogstrom says with the help of his new planer, he will be able to complete custom wooden pieces like these that much faster. Visit our website for more information on how to get a custom piece of your own.